Yeah.
Go ahead.
He's riding a horse. You're riding a horse, Austin. I bet it on videotape.
He's keeping
They're
it
still
up.
going.
And it's falling. Did you know that if you could stand still, like stand straight and just go like this and on your knees, it'd still work?
It's still going.
It's just about to fall. I know, but then you can do
Austin.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Try to stand straight. No. Okay. Just put it like this.
Grabbing your chest.
No,